guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 18th day of the 40 days challenge. Yesterday I made puri and masala aloo curry. So today I'm making a different version of potato, the dry potato masala fry. This also is a good combination with puris, or you can have the puri with a curry or a dry potato fry. You can call this episode the extension of yesterday's episode of puri and masala aloo curry, because I'm making the curry number 2 for the puris, which is the Sukhi Aloo or the dry aloo fry. Peel the boiled potatoes. Tablespoons of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of jeera seeds, 3 chilies and 4 cloves of garlic, and a bunch of coriander leaves, a spoon of salt, 1 chili powder. Add 2 teaspoons of water and blend it all together into a good paste. Add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, 1 spoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and add some curry leaves. Add the coriander paste that we prepared. Give it a nice mix. Add a small spoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, a spoon of coriander powder, a spoon of chili powder. Give it a nice mix. Once the masala is thoroughly cooked and you see the oil coming out of it, add the chopped boiled potatoes. Cook it until all the water or any kind of liquid evaporates from potatoes. It has to be absolutely dry. Make sure to check for the salt and adjust it at this point. Finish it off with some kasuri methi and some fresh coriander leaves. There you go guys, the yummy Sukhi Aloo or the dry potato fry is now ready. My today's 2 cents is, no matter how educated, talented, rich or cool you think you are, how you treat people is what defines you at the end. Have a wonderful, lovely and a great week ahead, guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye.